We all know that it's really important to make sure that every audio file that you're using in a project is in the project when you come to back it up or move it to another system. Do you know how to check? Well, there's an easier way than just backing it up and finding out whether or not everything's okay. And that's over here in the clips list. Looking at this, one of these files isn't with the others. It's in the wrong place. And if I just take a copy of this session folder, there'll be a file missing. However, you can't tell just by looking at it which one it is. What you need to do is, and it helps if you drag this sidebar over a bit, come up here and go show full path. And that'll show the disk path to all of them. And here, straight away, you can see they're all in the same place, in the same folder, apart from this one here, which is on the desktop. So that's the one that's missing, and it's on the desktop, not in the rest of the place. If I move it to another machine, it won't be there. What do you do about it? How do you fix it? Well, the easy way, if you're in this position, is come up here, go to Save Copy In, and just click Items to Copy, Audio Files, and create a copy of your session with a copy of all of the audio files, and that will bring everything together into the same place, and everything will be fine. You can avoid this happening in the first place if you come up to the Pro Tools Preferences and you make sure this is clicked, the automatically copy files on import. So there you go. There's how to check that everything is as it should be before you move or archive a session.